muted. Ma'am, you are muted.
Good afternoon, dear children.
Ma'am, can you
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I hope all of you are fine.
Fine, thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, we are fine.
In the last class, we have discussed about United Nations Human Rights Council. United Nations Human Rights Council, its short form as UNHRC.
Ma'am, you did not share the screen. Now it is okay.
UNHRC. It's an organ of, it's work under United Nations. It established in which year? UNOWIN, United Nations Human Organization, was set up in which year?
1906.
United Nations Human Rights Council was set up in which year?
1906. 2006.
UNOWIN. What is answer?
1906.
1906. Who said it's 1906?
1948. 1948. Ma'am, Rosine
And
told.
all others keep quiet. All of you are, your name is Anowin? No. All of you are Anowin? I'm asking to Anowin, let him answer.
Okay, ma'am. It's
Yes, Anowin. Unmute and answer my question. United Nations Human Rights Council was set up in which year? Irene, answer.
On
2000?
2006.
2006. Okay. What is the aim of this council? What is the aim of this council? Anubama, what is the aim of this council? UNHRC.
Ma'am, the aim of this council is to protect human rights
Human rights of people around the world. Human right to protect human rights of people around the world. Okay, not only for a particular country. It's for the people in the world, right? To protect human rights of people around the world. Set up in, or it's established in 2006. Okay. Let us see other organization or work for the protection of human rights. Next one is National Human Rights Commission. What is the name of this one? National Human Rights Commission. Its short form is NHRC. Here, this commission or this organization work for the protection of human rights of Indians. Work, it's protecting, or it established, or it's responsible for protecting human rights of Indians. That's why we have a word here, National Human Rights Commission. Clear? National Human Rights Commission is established, or it's responsible for the protection of human rights of Indians. Protection of human rights of Indians. Human rights of Indians. It was set up in 1993. Clear? Human Right, National Human Rights Commission, National Human Rights Commission, short form is NHRC. It's set up in 1993. And what is the aim of this organization? It's responsible for protecting human rights of Indians. What is the difference between UNHRC? UNHRC. What is the full form of UNHRC? I'll ask you. FIRES. FIRES. What is the full form of UNHRC? FIRES. Quickly.
Ma'am, National Human Rights
Listen my
Commission.
question. UNHRC.
U.
We discussed in the last class. UNHRC.
United Nations Human
United
Rights
Nations
Nation
Right
Human
Council.
Rights Council.
Tell me again.
United Nations Human Rights Council.
United Nations Human Rights Council. What is the aim of this organization?
To protect human rights
To
around
protect
the
human
world.
rights
Around the world.
of people around the world.
Of people around the world.
Okay, around the world. Okay, very good. So, UNHRC, United Nations Human Rights Council, work for the protection of human rights of people around the world. Around the world. It was set up in 2006, right? Established in 2006. National Human Rights Commission or NHRC. NHRC. It's set up in 1993. And what is the aim of this organization? For the protection of human rights of Indians. Clear the difference between two? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
One
Yes,
work
ma'am. It's
for
clear.
Yes, ma'am.
protection of human rights around the world. One work for the protection of human
Indians.
rights of Indians. Okay, when you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
national, the word National Human Rights Commission work for the protection of human rights of Indians. It's work in India. The other one, United Nations Human Rights Council, it's work for the protection of human rights of people around the world.
All around the world.
Let us see what are the works of National Human Rights Commission, NHRC, in India. What are the activities or what are the works of NHRC? Okay. Don't by heart all the sentences, I'll shorten it. Okay. First work or activity of NHRC is monitor, watch the activities of the government. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Volume, ma'am.
Government is protecting the rights of people. First work is watch the activities of
Government.
or monitor the activities of government and
Government.
check whether they are working properly, whether they are protecting the work of protecting the rights of human, right? Whether they are protecting human rights of Indians. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the first work? Work
To keep
or
watch
or
on
monitor. No, I don't need mass answering.
the government.
No need to repeat after me. Watch activities of or monitor the activities of government. Closely watch, are they working for the protection of human rights? Right, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And when human rights are violated, all this they will watch. Okay. So first activity of National Human Rights Commission is watch or monitor the activities of government and note down when human rights are violated.
Ma'am, can you explain the first point, please?
Watch, I'm explaining the same first point.
Okay, ma'am.
Watch activities of the government. Watch activities of the government. They are working properly. They are protecting, check whether they are protecting the human rights of people. Any individual is any individual's human right is violated, right? These are the first work of NHRC. Second work is go through laws. Many laws are there in our country for the protection of human rights. Okay, and they check, does NHRC check these laws protect and promote human rights? These laws protect human rights of people. If we feel that our human right is violated, for example, for you, one of the important right as right to education, right? Right to education. If you feel your right is violated, you can approach court. There are laws to protect your human rights. So NHRC check the laws or the working of courts. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Third one, spread awareness. What is the meaning of awareness? Awareness means
Ma'am, spread the knowledge.
knowledge. Knowledge. Some people, they don't know about human rights. We have some rights. Yes, we have discussed some rights in previous classes. Right to
Yes, ma'am.
work, right to practice our religion, right?
Right to
Right to education,
Right to
right to
practice
pay,
our
Same payment for
equal pay
same
for
work.
equal work. All these are our human rights. So people are not aware. They don't know about these rights. Clear? So what is the work of NHRC? They conduct classes, right? They conduct classes and give knowledge to common people about their rights. Then how they, through classes, how they give knowledge, how they provide knowledge to common people through classes, through seminars, then through newspaper, through medias, through some publications, some books. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Through all these medias, does NHRC make the people aware about their rights? Because most of the people are not aware about their rights. Then, fourth activity, many organizations are there in India working for the protection of human rights. Besides this, National Human Rights Commission, right? Many organizations, many institutions work for the protection of women, for the protection of children, for the protection of workers. Okay, many organization institutions are there in India. So NHRC help other institutions work in the same field, right? Many other institutions, many other organizations work for the protection of human rights or in the field of human rights. So NHRC provide help to other institutions or organizations. These are the four important activities of NHRC or Human Rights, National Human Rights Commission. Because still, you are living in an independent country, we have laws to protect our human rights. Our government is protecting our human rights. We have many organizations, many council, many organizations, many institutions to protect the rights of human. Still, some rights are violated. Clear?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
clear.
That's why NHRC keep watching the work of government. Then they create awareness among people about their rights. People, those who are living in village and those who are illiterate, they don't know how to write and read, not aware about their rights. These are the works of NHRC. Clear?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
share
It's
the board
clear.
again? I did not.
The first work is watch government and not when human rights are violated. Watch
What's the activities of the government?
the activities of the government and not when the human rights are violated.
Violated.
Second one, check laws. If they protect human rights. Many laws are there in our country for protecting human rights, and NHRC check all these laws if they are protecting human rights.
Protecting and
Then
promoting human
spread
rights.
awareness about human rights. Then help other institutions that work in the field of human rights. I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
The next we are going to discuss about reasons for protecting human rights. What is the importance or what do we need to protect human rights? Let us see why. What is the reason for protecting human rights? Then, before going to this topic, reason for protecting human rights, I want to tell you one thing. Have you heard about World War First and Second?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
need to teach about,
Yes,
in order to
ma'am.
learn, in order to
Yes,
study
ma'am.
about World War One and Two. Just understand what is World War One and Two. Okay, World War One and Two. So many countries participated in this war, World War. Okay. Then what was the after effect of the war? Many people lost their life. Then many people were treated very badly. Right? Many people lost their life, property, and were treated very badly. So after the World War, leaders from different countries, they thought of maintaining peace or establish peace all over the world. As a result of this, United Nations was established in 1945. United Nations. It's an international organization. 193 countries are the members of United Nations. In which year it was established? 1945.
1945.
1945.
What is the aim of this organization? To prevent war and protect the rights of people all over the world. That means maintain peace and security all over the world. Prevent war and protect the rights of people all over the world. Clear? History of UN is clear. How UN, United Nations,
Yes, ma'am.
organized or formed
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
after Second World War. Right? Human rights were violated. How human rights were violated? Many people were killed. Many people lost their life. And many people were treated very badly. In this way, human rights were violated during World War. Yeah, so after the World War, leaders from different countries thought of maintaining peace all over the world. As a result, United Nations was established in 1945 to prevent war and maintain peace all over the world. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, United Nations play an important role in protection of human rights because they won't allow anyone to violate human rights. Then, but even today, many of our rights are violated, right? People
Yes, ma'am.
are treated very badly. Some people are treated very badly by others. I think you know about it, right? Some people, children, even children are treated very badly by
And there
others.
was
Yes, ma'am.
child marriage.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
So many human rights violations are there. So especially children, women, and disabled people, right? What is the meaning of disabled people? Disabled,
Ma'am, that
People
people
who
that
are
have
disabled.
some.
right?
Handicapped.
Because it's a condition difficult to do certain activities, right? Physical disabilities.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
cannot do all activities or they cannot do certain activities. Okay. So women, children, and disabled people, these group are ill-treated by others. Still, okay, not just during the war, World War, okay, or war. Still, some rights are violated. Which group of people are suffering a lot in our society? Especially women, children,
Child.
and women, children, and disabled. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's
Clear.
clear. Ma'am.
Let us see some examples. Okay, human rights are violated. Where human rights are violated. I'll show you some examples where human rights are violated.
Violated.
Say this. Human rights violation is common in India, right? In some places. First human rights violation is child labor. Have you heard about child labor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Small children. Okay, I'll ask you. What is child? Who can answer? What is child labor? Raise your hand. If you want to share. Yes, Isa. Isa Alijesh.
Yes, people make small kids
People. Wait, okay.
work in factories and places like that.
Yeah, some places children are forced to work in factories, right? Below the age of 12, 9 are forced to, they have to work in, or they are forced to work in factories, in restaurants, in fire, what is, in toy making factories, in restaurants, in firework factories, in bangle making factories.
Boot.
Okay. They don't get enough food. They don't get enough nutrition. They have to work for long time without food and water.
Ma'am, and they will
Just
give.
imagine the situation. Imagine that. Horrible, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Small
if it
children.
is adults, they will get more money. For children, they will get less money.
Yeah. So for children, they will pay very less money, right? Because they don't know about the working condition. They don't know about the salary. They don't know about the wage, money, how much they will get. Then, so children are forced to work in restaurants without any break. In many factories, without any break, without water, without food. It's called child labor. Clear? Child labor is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, second one, dowry. What is dowry? Yes.
Ma'am, the money or gifts that
Wait,
the
wait,
bride.
wait.
Gift
Wait.
for marriage.
Yes, I will ask you. Yes, Cheryl, raise your hand if you know the answer. What is dowry? Yes, Cheryl. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Money or gifts that the bride's family give to the bridegroom's family.
Yes, money or some objects, right?
Yes,
Girl's
ma'am.
father or girl's family has to, or girl's family members or girl's parents have to give to boy's family at marriage time. Clear? The time of marriage.
Yes,
That's
ma'am, it's
called
clear.
dowry. Is it good practice?
No, ma'am,
No,
it's not a
ma'am.
good practice.
Not good practice, right? It's not a good practice because many women, they were killed. Many were killed and many committed suicide because of the harassment they face or they experience from husband's family because of this dowry. Sometimes they ask to bring husband or husband's family members ask to bring more money. Sometimes these girls cannot give. So they have to face some problems in husband's family, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All of you know about this, right? You might
Yes,
have
ma'am.
read news related with this in newspaper or you watch, right?
Yes.
But dowry prohibited in India by the Act of 1961. But still, you know this what is happening right around us.
Yes, ma'am. Still it is happening.
Then child labor is also prohibited by the Act of 1986, but still in some part of India, it's there. Then next, human right
Child
violation
marriage.
is
Child marriage.
child marriage. Then who can say what is child marriage? Raise Helen, not Helen Ruswin. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Below
Child.
10 years, children will marry.
It means children are married before appropriate age, right?
Yes,
Before
ma'am.
age of 18 or 21. 18 is the marriage, it is age for girls and 21 for boys. But here some children are forced to marry, are not forced, children are married before an appropriate age. Clear? Before
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
mature.
Ma'am.
Still in some part of India, they practice child marriage. Okay. Do you know, do you remember the point when we discussed about social reformation?
Yes, ma'am.
Reformation, Raja Ram Mohan.
Raja Ram Mohan
Yes,
Roy.
all
Raja
the
Ram
worked
Mohan
for
Rai.
abolition. They worked against
Swami
Sati.
Vivekananda.
Sati
they
and
were
child
against
marriage.
practice, right? Child marriage. They all were against the practice of child marriage.
Sati and child marriage.
Yes, yes, yes. Then next, okay, there's three human right violations.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining two we will discuss in the next class: child labor, dowry, and child marriage. Then in India, you know, girls cannot be married until she is 18, and boys 21, right? Boys until he is 21. 18 for girls and 21
For boys.
Okay, dear children, I hope all of you have understood this portion. Today we have discussed only two topics. One is National Human Rights Commission work in India for the protection of human rights of Indians, and what are the activities of NHRC. 4 activities.
Okay,
Next,
ma'am.
we discuss reason for the protection of human rights and 4 human rights are violated. Name of that? No, not 4, 3. We discussed
Yes,
only 3
ma'am.
points, right?
There are 5. We discussed
Yes,
3.
only
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
points we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Thank you, dear children.
Ma'am,
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.